Okay, now we continue our session, Autodesk Inventor Learnings. Now I will teach you how to create this object. Yeah, this is we use a coil tool. Yeah, and also I will teach you how to create this part. Okay, sorry. This part. How to use sweep. Yeah, sweep. And the next, I will teach you how to use the loft. Loft. All right, let's we start. We will start with loft first. We how to create this part. Okay, like usual, we create new file and click standard millimeter IPT. Okay, like the next step is we create to the sketch. Click to the sketch and select XYZ plane. All right, and then we continue to create circle here. Okay, give the dimension here, for example 20, no problem, whatever the dimension you can try. Okay, and click finish sketch. All right, and then we click here. This sketch is okay, we click this plane. Yeah, this plane, we can click this plane. We click offset from plane. Yeah, click this one and we go to the origin. Okay, we can select this part, XZ plane. Okay, XZ plane, and we can bring it up. For example, here is 10 or not 10. Yeah, we make it become, for example, here 15 and click OK. Okay, we have a new plane here and we click this part and click this here, click this part, and we click this plus sign, click sketch. Okay, and we try to make another part here. We can create another small circle here. The example here is 10, and we can click finish sketch, and after that we click lock. Okay, lock, click this part first, and the second part is this one. So it will be appear like this. Okay, quite simple. And we try to make the small circle and change with the another style. We try, yeah, and we do edit for the loft. Edit sketch here, yeah. Click here, edit sketch. Okay, and we try to make what's that? Rectangle, for example. Okay, we delete this one. We make a rectangle from the middle. We use a rectangle 2 point. Yeah, rectangle 2 point. Pick from here, here. For example, here 8, and this one is 11. So I don't know what happened. Right. So the lock will be like this. Yeah. So lock means connecting between two planes. Yeah. Display and display, and then we connect it become one object. All right, that is the lock. Now we continue to make another part. We use we want to create this part. Yeah, we call it as a coil. Okay, normally this one we can make this one as a, what is that, shock breaker, yeah, spring, and so forth. All right, let's we try to make this part. Okay, you just click new and standard, then you can click to the sketch again. Now this one, before we try to select XY plane. Yeah, XY plane, click XY plane. All right, so we try to make a sketching for this part here. try to make a rectangle first, and you can click like this. Yeah. All right. The dimension, we give the dimension here. For example, here is 15, and here is 10. Okay, and the distance between this one and this one is important because it will make a hole later when the coil appear. We can make one hole in the middle. Right. Now try to what's that? Give the dimension here from this point and this point. We give the distance, for example, here 6, yeah? 6. So later our diameter will be 12, right? Okay, now to make this one look better, we make a middle, like what is it? What is it? Part here, yeah. Just click what is it? Construction line. We click line and then we put it in the middle. Okay, like this until 90 degrees. Okay, and then we make one part like this, one line. Yeah. Okay, we off the we off we click this one first. Yeah, click this one and the line become off. If you want to disactivate the function of line, just escape. Yeah. Okay, I repeat, I repeat again. From here, click here to here. Okay, this one, because of this one still active, I press escape and I click this one again and I click this part. Sorry, click this part first and then disactivate. Okay, escape again. All right, now we want to know the dimension between this one and this one. Just click this one, yeah, this one and this one. Give the dimension here. For example, we give 2. Okay, and we mirror it. We want to make a mirror here. Same, yeah. We mirror it. For example, here we mirror it using mirror. Yeah. Click this part and mirror line. Click this part and apply and click done. All right, we now can do trim for this part. Click trim this part, and the other part we can delete it because no intersection cannot be deleted. Just delete it. Okay. After this, you need to finish the sketch. Yeah. Finish the sketch, and then we do coil. Click coil. Okay. Now the coil need axis. Yeah? Profile are deselected, but we don't have axis. To select the axis, we try to select the axis here. Open here and try to select Z. Yeah? Z, and then coil size. We can change it become. For example, here, pitch mean the distance between circle. Yeah? For example, here you make it become 15, and the revolutions, the repetition is, for example, 8 times. Okay. Or if you want to pitch become 20, for example, okay, and click OK. You can click OK now, yeah. After you set everything, you can click OK. Okay, now coil like this. All right. So we want to make a what is that object in the middle of this the circle, yeah. Okay, we use sketch. Click sketch. Okay, after you click sketch, you click this flat plane. Okay, it will be like this. And remember, our middle is 12, right? Still remember, we just click circle and click here So our diameter is 12. Enter and click finish. Okay, you can repeat it if it's too fast, yeah, you can repeat it, and then you can extrude it again, and then the arrow should be flipped like this. Okay, you can, okay, like this, you drag it like this, yeah, if you want to know the dimension. For example, here we make it 180, make it fixed, become 180, and click OK. Okay, you change the taper also can, yeah, if you want to change the taper, become like that. Okay, if you want to make minus, also can come like that. But normally the people just use 0. All right, and click OK. All right, this one is taper. Sorry, coil. Coil also we can try make a coil using a circle. Okay, we try to make another part, yeah. All right, we change this part become a circle. Okay, we make a new part here. For example, try to create new file. Okay, create new file and standard, and we can click. Sorry, I make it close. We can click here to the sketch again. Click this XY plane is okay, and then we make one circle in the middle here. In the middle, but here, yeah, because we want to make a coil. Just for example, here we make it become 5, yeah, 5, and the distance between this middle center of circle with this point become, for example, here 10. Okay, now finish sketch. Try to make a coil. Click coil. Okay, and click the axis is now active. Click axis active and click Z plane. Okay, it will be like this, yeah. And try to coil size, yeah. We give, for example, here pitch between circle 15, 20, for example, yeah? And the revolutions, the repetitions become 10, for example, 10, right? Or we change it become pitch become 15 and revolution become 7, for example, yeah? Okay, it will be like this, yeah. All right, same function. We can click this part also as our new, click to the sketch, yeah, click to the sketch, and we click this part, the flat surface, and we change this one. I mean, we make the circle here. Okay, here, for example, here is 15. Okay, 15, for example, enter and click OK. And we extrude it, extrude, click extrude, and we drag it. We change the click, the arrow will be like this, and finish. Okay, this is coil. I just want to show you how to make a coil, yeah. Now we use sweep. The under part we use sweep. Okay. We continue to make sweep. We click new part, new and standard, and then create. After that, we try to make 2D sketch. Okay, 2D sketch. We can select XY plane again. Okay, and then you can click line. Yeah, click line from here. Okay, I will not give the dimension, for example, here, yeah. Okay, it will be like this, and we give the dimension now. Give the, for example, is 15, and this part is 20, and this part become 8, and this one become 18. Okay, now try to give the fillet, yeah, fillet to make it beautiful. Click this one, this one, this one. Okay, and then click finish sketch. Okay, click finish sketch. All right, now we try to make one plane here. Yeah, we want to make a circle here. Actually, we try to click to the sketch. Yeah, I repeat, click to the sketch, click this part. Yeah, or this plane. Okay, it will be go there. Okay, we click shift and you push or press your middle of your mouse. Sorry. Okay, and then we can make a circle here. Click circle, click this middle. So we just click this one, become, for example, is 4, yeah, not 4. For example, 3. Enter, click finish. Okay, now we try to make one sweep. Okay, it automatically highlight like this, and then we need to select the curve until like this, yeah, and we select this line that we have created. Is it working? Not working. Maybe this one is too big. We just reduce the diameter, become 1 or 2. Okay, and then we swipe again and click OK. Edit. Edit. Oh, the taper will give 0, for example. Taper problem. The taper change become 0. Okay, and then click OK. Okay, it is this is like a tube, yeah, and it's all. Okay, maybe these 3 we already learn about sweep, loft, coil, revolve, emboss. Okay, the another one maybe we can later we learn during our exercise. All right, now the next step I will teach you how to combine between part and part become one part. I mean the combination we use assembly session, yeah. Okay, thank you very much for your attention, and I hope if you have any question, please let me know. Thank you very much.